A fresh dive photographer joins a conservation crew documenting reef restoration scenes and the quiet, urgent drama of recovering ecosystems. Each day blends field work with studio time as lenses are cleaned, strobes calibrated, and precious moments meticulously planned. They chase not only megafauna but intimate behaviors of juvenile fish and corals rebuilding homes, all under strict ethical guidelines. Travel schedules test stamina, yet pristine nights aboard research vessels reveal bioluminescent currents and starry horizons. With grants, freelance gigs, and a culture of exploration, this career turns ocean love into a sustainable, life-changing profession.